All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look here. They want us to simplify this product. We know we're working within the set of complex numbers. We see negative radicands, and we know that the square root of -1 within the set of complex numbers is defined to be this imaginary unit I. Um, this is a number. Um, it doesn't look like the numbers that we see as real numbers, but it is a number. So let's come in and first take a look at these negative radicands. The square root of -36, like we say, this negative sign introduces I. 36 is a perfect square. The square root of 36 is 6. So you keep, here we're multiplying by this 2, and we have subtraction. And here, over here we have subtraction, and we're multiplying by this 3. And we try to do the same thing. We zero in on this square root of -100. That negative radicand introduces this imaginary unit into our answer, and the square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So in this first binomial, what we have is 3 minus 12i. And in the second binomial, we have 5 minus 30i. So now we're ready to jump in and do this multiplication, which means applying the distributive property. So we're going to use a table to help us do that. It's a nice organized way to apply the distributive property. So we have 3 minus 12i along one side and 5 minus 30i across the top. And this just helps us in our organization in multiplying these terms together. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times -30i is a -90i. And -12i times 5 is a -60i. The negative times negative is positive. And 12 times 30 is 360, and I squared is -1. So when you multiply by -1, that just keeps it keeps the number the same, but it takes the opposite of it. So this positive 360 becomes -360. All right, so let's come back over here to our work, and 15 take away -360. I don't want to make a silly type of sign error, so I'm going to grab a calculator. -345. That's called the real part, and then minus 150i. So there's our final answer. Hopefully I haven't made any silly type of mistake. Let me know if I do, so I can correct the video. Ask any questions as needed. People are doing very well on this, so I doubt if many people even need to watch the videos. So hope this helps, and I will talk to you later. Bye.